What's your take on the AI will replace jobs conversation? What are you actually seeing with your enterprise clients?
I think it absolutely will replace jobs. I think, though, that if you look back to the Industrial Revolution, it was the same conversation when machines took over and then we didn't need 10 people to plow fields. We had a machine which did it. But what happened effectively is life got better for people, but there's a pain period in the middle. So instead of working from dusk till dawn, people started working from 9 till 6 or 9 till 5. People took weekends off. So the actual work-life balance improved, but the initial stages of all these revolutions, and this is a revolution, is pain. There are going to be a lot of jobs which will be lost and will be replaced by AI. But at the same time, people should be quickly learning to use AI to enhance themselves. Like us as a company, we are not going to replace people with AI, but we will become faster and better because we will use AI effectively.